Hey there, I am Christine Horn, actress and life and career coach for actors. I am the founder and creator of Bookmore TV and Hollywood Bound Actors. I'm doing this video just because it's on my heart and I have to share a testimonial, a love shout for Dr. Ali. I met Dr. Ali in a mastermind and we just connected on just some good people, good energy vibes. But when I tell you, this woman has always been full of integrity from the moment I've met her, in a casual setting to a conference business setting. It doesn't matter. And Dr. Ali assisted me at my very first large conference that I had in Atlanta, Georgia in July of 2022. And I did not know what to expect. She offered her support and her assistance because she felt compelled to, but I had no idea what to expect from her. And I had no idea how much that experience, that time, those 2 days with her would impact my business and impact me as a coach and as a conference producer. And so I just felt compelled, and I've been meaning to do this video for quite some time. If you are watching this and are wondering, should I work with Dr. Ali? I kind of like her. I mean, she seems cool. I wonder, stop. Just stop and sign up. Stop and go. Sign up for whatever she's offering. If you are, I don't even know who she works with. Like, she didn't even ask me to do this. I just have to tell you, this woman knows about sales. She knows about connection. She knows about how to work a room. She knows how to read people. This woman was coaching me down to the last minute. I had real life coaching in the moment. And then she had someone else that she was already in the middle of mentoring, helping me. And they both helped me. It was just amazing. She's able to pick up on things. She's able to tweak things and say it in a way that's straightforward, no nonsense, straight no chaser, which I respect. I think that's a New York connection. And I appreciate that. We don't have time. The stakes are too high when you are at an event or when you're in a launch event or you're launching anything. You need someone in your back pocket who will say, hey, that's great, a great start, but how about you try XYZ? Boom, go. And doesn't sit there and wait for you to sit in your insecurity and your fears and your second guessing and your worthiness issues. None of that. Like, she's going to challenge you if you're in her presence to go higher. She is going to challenge you to do that. And then she's going to force you, by just her mere presence and what she's offered, for you to look in the mirror and say, wow, now I can't say I don't have the answers or know what to do next. Now I have to face me. And in the 2 days, for my 2-day conference, she challenged me in so many ways and taught me so much in the moment. And I had to literally ask myself, Christine, are you going to punk out? That's how I talk to myself. Are you going to punk out or are you going to do this? You're going to try it. You may not do it perfect, but you have a real life coach person, a person who has done this many, 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 many times and who has seen success, not just for herself, but for so many other of her clients and people that she's connected to. So again, I just felt compelled. Look, I'm in the world of Hollywood. I coach actors. I know a lot of you out there do not do what I do, but what is consistent is the fact that I have a product to sell. I have a conference, which I do as a fulfillment conference. And we are all in sales, and the way she lights up when it's time to talk about sales and helping people, like, there's nothing slimy or icky about it. At the core of it, she wants to help people. And if that means I got to talk to you in this way for you to get it, for you to just take the note or not, because she's never going to force you to do anything. She'll say, I would suggest you might want to try this. And then she leaves it up to you. So if you are in Dr. Ali's cipher, in her world, and you are wondering, should I take the next step with her for my next? It should be an absolute yes. Period.